Hyderabad. The Election Commission of India, ECI, has issued a notification calling for objections over registering two new political parties, one each in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. New political parties are being registered with the ECI ahead of the assembly polls in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The ECI has notified the Telangana Nirmana Party, led by Teenmar Mallanna, Chintapandu Naveen, and has called for objections until September 20. Mallanna's party also issued a public notice on August 25. Apart from 6 recognized national parties, 4 recognized state parties in Telangana, there are 107 registered unrecognized political parties in the state. In Hyderabad alone, 70 political parties have been registered, according to the Office of the Telangana Chief Electoral Officer, CEO. An official from the Office of the CEO said, Section 29A of the Representation of the People Act governs the registration of political parties. A party seeking registration with the Commission must apply within 30 days from the date of its formation. The applicant association must issue a public notice of objections within 30 days. The notice published is also displayed on the website of the Commission. Teenmar Mallanna, a vocal critic of BRS, told TOI, "We hope to complete the formalities with ECI as soon as possible. Our objectives for establishing the party include improving the health and education systems in the state, ensuring speedy justice, and advocating recall of elected representatives." He mentioned that he would be contesting from the Medchal Assembly constituency as an MLA candidate. "Our party will contest from all constituencies in Telangana. If the anti-incumbency vote gets divided, we cannot be held responsible. We are not here for the victory of opposition parties. We are against KCR, but we focus on implementing our political agenda. If any opposition party comes forward for an alliance, we will consider it." He added the Telangana Nirmana Party was registered with an address in Pirzadaguda with M. Rajani Kumar as secretary and R. Bhavana as treasurer. ECI has also issued a notification for a new party, Telugu Rajadhikara Party, based in Kanchikacharla of Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh.